Okay, which sum we have to solve? Which one did we do, students? Can you respond? Okay, 10th one. Look, what's the equation given for the 10th one? F of x is equal to, can you see the screen, all of you all? Okay, this, look here, for this question, what is x of 2, students? X minus 2 is what? X minus 2 is a, yes, if it's a factor, see, this is equal to r stands for remainder. So x minus 2 is equal to 0. What is x value? X is equal to 2. F of 2 is equal to 2 cube plus a into 2 square. Okay, if they tell x minus 2 is a factor, what you have to take right hand side? All of you will respond. What do you take right hand side? Yes, if it is a factor, you have to take 0. All of you will solve this. 10th question. Wait, there's a second part. In the second part, use the same equation. F of x is equal to, f of x is equal to x cube plus ax square plus bx plus 6 is equal to r. What's the second value given, students? For the 10th one, what's the second one? X minus 3. What is x value? 3. F of 3 is equal to, let me substitute. Okay, 3 cube plus a into 3 square plus b into 3 plus 6 is equal to, for this question, what is r? Look here, I'll read the second part. And leaves a remainder 3. Can you see the word leaves a remainder 3? When does it leave remainder 3, students? When it is divided by? When does it leave remainder 3? When it is divided by? So what should I take the remainder as here? 3. Okay. So if you solve this, you'll get first equation. Same like yesterday, we did one question like this. So 8 plus 4a plus 2b plus 6 is equal to 0. 4a plus 2b, 8 plus 6 is 14. Plus 14 goes to the other side, minus 14. Equation 1. Next, 27 plus 9a plus 3b plus 6. 9a plus 3b. 27 plus 6. How much is 27 plus 6? 33. If 33 goes to the other side, becomes 9a plus 3b is equal to minus 30. This is the second equation. Is it clear? Did you all understand? Eighth question, 10th question. Look at the 10th one again, students. For x minus 2, it says is a factor. Just because it says factor, I've taken it as 0. And leaves remainder 3 when you divide by x minus 3. That's the reason I've taken as 3. For this it is 0 and for this it is 3. Solve this question, be quick. Today we have to complete 14 questions. Just a minute. Okay, start solving, students. Be quick. If I ask, nobody is responding, Abigail. I don't know which one. Nobody told. So you have to. We are wasting time, students. Okay. If I ask, you'll have to respond. Nobody is responding. -3. Okay. So you'll have two equations. 4a plus 2b is equal to -14. For the other batch, how many questions I did yesterday? Did we do this? What about 8, 9? See, I do the same for both. Lima, if you're not writing everything, okay, then this is 10th one. We are doing the 10th outcome, Abigail. And fine, students. Done it. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. I'll just complete it. Okay, whoever has done, just skip. Those who didn't do, completed, students. There are two equations. I'll do this. And this Saturday, I'll be conducting test. Okay, you'll have circles, tangent, reflection. Before this, which chapter we did? Quadratic. So you'll have quadratic and even this exercise. So three 3 chapters for test this Saturday. Okay, all of you completed till here. Shall I do this equation? Look here, students. Now, in order to eliminate, sign should be opposite. Is any sign opposite here for A and B? No, right? So what I'll do is we'll try to eliminate A and B because 2 and 3 are smaller numbers. If you try to eliminate A, 4 and 9 are bigger numbers. See, if I multiply by 9 and if I multiply by 4, the entire value is going to change. Okay, numbers are big. Instead of that, look here, the coefficient of B is 3. And what's the coefficient of B? You get 2. So first multiply, later we'll change the sign. First multiply, if you multiply 12A plus 6B, 30, 30 plus 12, 42, minus 42. And here you get 18A plus 6B is equals to minus 60. Now are the signs same or different? It's it's the same. Now let us change sign for the second equation. Plus becomes minus, minus and plus becomes, minus becomes plus. Now these two gets cancelled. What is 12A minus 18A? 12 minus 18? 12 minus 18. Minus 6A. And this one? 60 is greater, so it is 18. A is equal to 18 divided by minus 6. What is A value? Minus 3. See, if you are making mistake in addition, subtraction, all this, I can't help students, okay? You'll have to learn that. I can't keep teaching you plus and minus rule, addition, subtraction. You are in 10th standard, still you do mistakes in that, I'm not responsible. So think before you solve. It's your basic 6th standard concept. You should know when to add, subtract, which sign to put. A is equal to minus 3. Fine. Then you can substitute in your one equation. I'll write substitute A is equal to minus 3. Wait, let me solve. I'll give you all time to copy. In this equation. In equation 1. 4 into minus 3 plus 2. Minus 12 goes to the other side, plus 12. What's the value you get? You all can complete it. Okay, for board exam, mostly you get only these type of question. So practice this. All these are lengthy questions, students. They'll ask you to find two. They'll give you two equations. They'll ask you to find value of a and b, or they'll change the alphabets. They'll ask you to find p and q, but the concept is same. All of you done? Anyone still doing? Okay, just quickly look at the students. First, solve two equations. And one more thing, when you arrange it, look at this step. When you arrange, alphabet should be, variable should be on the left hand side, constant, number should be on the right hand side. Only then you can apply substitution method, elimination method. Okay, in order to use elimination, number should be on the right hand side, alphabet should be on the left hand side. Is Anya online? Anya, Deborah, Mebly, did you all understand? Okay. See, I'm teaching each and every step, students. If you're really interested, concentrate, solve it, and learn. Okay, I can't keep calling out names, asking questions, because for 10th we don't have time. We have to be quick. If you're really interested, want to learn, do it. If not, just ignore it. Look at the 11th one. It's the same concept. What number should be added? See, whether adding or subtraction, it doesn't matter, student. Concept is same. What is f of x? For 11th one, 3x cubed minus 5x squared plus 6x. What number should be added so that the resulting polynomial, just ignore all that, divided by, what's the value given? X minus 3 is equal to 0, x is equal to 3. And is anything mentioned here? Remainder? 8. So let me substitute f of 3 is equals to, what number should be added? Okay, for what number should be added? X. Fine. For what number should be added, students? See here, what number should be added? To which one we need to add? All of you will respond. To which one? What number should be added to this equation, right? So do we know the number? Which number we're going to add? Do we know the number? No. So let the number be, what shall we take? Already x is given. Shall we take alphabet A? Let the number be A, students. So along with this equation, add A is equal to remainder. If that will subtract, what number should be subtracted? Then what you do? Plus A or minus A? Minus A. So let the number be A. Just add plus A to that. Start solving. 3 into 3 cube minus 5 into 3 square, 6 into 3 plus A is equal to R. Sorry, R is what? R value is 8. Find the value of A. That's the answer. All of you will solve this. You can take any alphabet, students. You can take P, Q, A, B, anything is fine, but make sure you mention on top. Find the value of A, all of you. Is it negative? Getting a negative number. Minus 46. Okay, the polynomial. How many questions are there in the first exercise? Can someone just check? Is it only 14? Okay, fine. Negative value. Okay, let me check. Positive value. Fine, students. $46. Okay. Okay, Anya, what's your answer, Anya? Minus 40? Okay, minus 40. See, let me solve. It can be positive or negative. Okay. It can be any value. 8. 8 is the remainder, Amy. What's the A value? Minus 46. Okay. All of you done? Shall I solve? Negative. Okay, fine. 3 into 27. How much is 3 into 27? 60 plus 21, 81 minus 45 is equal to 8. If you want, you solve it here and shift it, or shift and solve, students. Anything is fine. So 81 and 18 are positive. What is 81 plus 8? 99 minus 45 plus A is equal to 8. 99 minus 45 is? If 54 goes to the other side, okay, you should get negative then. Minus 46. So don't be in a hurry. Take your time. Think and answer, students. Think and solve. Plus minus concept is important. And even when I correct your papers, most of the most of you will make common mistakes in that addition, subtraction, division. So there are chances even in your school test you'll do the same thing. All tough concepts you're able to solve, but the simple plus minus you're making mistake. Okay, minus 46. Shall we do the next one? What number should be subtracted? What do you mean by subtraction? Let the number be A, B, take anything. Okay. So all of you will try the 12th question, students. Try the 12th question. X cube plus 3x square minus 8x plus 14. What should I do? Plus A or minus A? Is equal to, what's the remainder? Okay, 10. Keep it as R. Later you can substitute. X minus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to 2. And R is equal to 10. So substitute Find the value of A. Wait, it can be positive or negative. It can be even fraction, students. Sometimes you get fraction. No, you won't get fraction, only positive. Yeah, don't tell me the answer. Let all of you solve. All of them solve. Completed. Shall I do the calculation part? Okay. Look at the screen, students. 18 plus 12 is how much? 20. 20 minus 16 is? Respond. What is 20 minus 16? 4. 4 plus 14 is 18. Uh, Which is negative here? The number is negative or the alphabet? Shift A to the other side, bring 10 to this side. 18 minus 10. A is equal to 8 is the answer. So this is the last type of question where they'll tell you to add a number or subtract. Shall we do the next one, 13th one? Okay. How will you all do the 13th one, students? Can somebody answer? Read the question and answer. Don't look at your notes. Oh, they didn't start this chapter, right? Look at the 13th one. How will you all solve the 13th? Just explain. This time, how many equations are given? Two. Usually they give one equation and two values, right? Two x values. But here they have given two equation and how many x value? Only one. And the main important keyword here is, can you see, leaves the same remainder? What do you mean by that, students? What do you mean by leaves same remainder? Very good. For both the equation, the remainders are same. So look here, this is remainder are same. Whenever they give remainders are same, I'll tell you how to solve. Okay, before that, let me take f of x first equation. 2x cube minus 7x square plus ax minus 6 is equal to r. And x value, x minus 2 is equal to 0. What is x? 2. So for f of 2, you'll get an equation. And what's the second equation? All of you will respond, students. What's the second equation given? Yes, x cube minus 8x square plus, open the bracket, look here, plus 2a plus 1 into x minus 16. This is same, and even if you write it like this, both are same. So if you write it like this, definitely you'll get confused. When you're writing, write it like this, students. X into 2a plus 1 minus 16. Okay, if not, just open the bracket. When you open the bracket, what do you'll get? All of you will respond. 2a into x is 2ax. Then plus x, okay, 1x or x minus is equal to r. And what do you mean by remainders are equal? Both the r values are same, right? And is r value given here anywhere? No. Even for this, x minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. Look at, stop writing, don't write when I'm teaching. Now, both the equations are given, two equations are given. What I'll do is, this f of x, whenever two equations are given, remember, take it as f of x1. And what will you take the second one as? x2. F of x2. And whenever the tail remainder is same, students, f of x1 is equal to f of x2. This is the concept. So let me substitute first 2 here. 2 into 2 cube minus 7 into 2 square minus ax minus 6. This is the first equation. And for the second equation, what is it? If I substitute, I get 2 cube minus 8 into 2x square, 2 into a into 2 plus 2, right? Is this clear? Did you understand? Is remainder given here? Do we have remainder? All of you will respond. Was remainder given? No, right? Then ignore, students. See, don't write remainder here. See, I didn't write remainder because it wasn't given. Ignore that. Okay. Now, if I solve this, what am I getting? 2 cube is 8. 8 2s are 16 minus. What about this one? 7 4s are minus 6. Next, 2 cube is 8. 2 square is 4. 8 4s are 32. What do you get here? If I multiply this, 2 2s are 4 plus 2 minus 16. Okay, now use this concept. F of x1 is equal to f of x2. Take f of x1 value. 16 minus 28 minus 6 is equal to, what is f of x2 value? What is given? 8 minus 32 plus 4a plus 2 minus 16. Why am I writing like this, students? What's the reason? Because they told remainders are same, right? If remainders are same, the values, this is how we have to write. F of x1, both the equations should be equal. Solve this, add, subtract, find the value of, no, here I missed out a point. This a of x, what is a of x value? Yeah, it is 2a. So your remainders are not given and they mention the word remainders are equal. If remainders are equal, then first equation will be equal to second equation. No, no, just a minute, students. 1 minute. Your x value same or different? X. All of you respond. For both x is same, right? So we'll assign a name different. Look here. Let x be the same, f of x, and here you take g of x. This is equation f equation g. So f of g should be equal to g of x. Yeah, don't write x1, x2. Assign the equation name different. First equation is f, second equation is g. You can get any value, negative, positive, fraction. What's your answer, Anya? Getting in fraction? Okay, let me check. And this concept is only for remainders are equal, students. I mean, remainders are same. And same meaning is equal. That's the reason we put is equal to sign. Fine, we'll see. We'll check. So if it is wrong, you have to work on basic, students, addition, subtraction. (16 minus 28 plus 2a minus 6). Okay, let me check. Lima, did you solve? Or just taking all 5/3? Okay. Let me check, students. If it is right, fine. If it is wrong, all three of you all should work on addition and subtraction then. Shall I solve? All of you will complete it? See here, if you're getting confused, okay, if you're getting confused while solving, which is greater? Minus 2a or, 2a or 4a? Which one is greater? 4a, right? And 4a is positive, 2a is negative. So what you do is shift this 2a to the other side. What is 4 plus 2a? So I'll write 6a and numbers. See here, 16 minus 34 plus 10 goes to the other side becomes minus 48 becomes. See, stick on with the basic things, students. I've been telling you all. These two are positive. What is 16 plus 48? 64? No, no, no. I made a mistake here. Minus. See. This part. I think your answer for this it should be correct. But I made a mistake. What have I written there? What has to be written, student? It is plus ax, right? Uh, I made a mistake there. Minus. Can you see here plus ax? This should be plus. Yes, sorry. It should have been plus 2a, students. So what is it? If plus 2a goes to the other side becomes completed. Other things are same. Yes, just try this part. So 4a minus 2a is 2a. Complete this. Sorry, my mistake. Other things are correct. Take minus 34 and minus 10. 48, 58, 58 plus 6, 64. And what do you all get here? Minus 10 plus 30 is 44, right? See, I've solved so much. You're telling that a should be 10. What is 40? 64 minus 44? 20, right? A is equal to 10, students. Okay, previously, because of that mistake, you could have got negative number or fraction. No problem. This is the answer. A is equal to 10. Okay, what's the time? 10 minutes left. Shall we do the next question? All of you completed, right? Remember this, two equations and one x value given. Next one, 14th one, you can try for homework, students. Last one, I'll explain how many x values are given here. 2. Let me take one equation. What's the equation, students? 2x cubed plus x square plus bx minus 14 is equal to r. Okay, if I take x minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. What's the remainder given? Is the remainder value given, or have they told it's x minus 2 is a factor? It's a factor, right? If it's a factor, r will be equal to, very good. And for the next one, take the same equation. What's the next value given? X value, x minus 3 is 0, x is equal to 3. And what is remainder given for this? Is it factor or any remainder is given? Yes. And when the expression is divided by x minus 3, it leaves a remainder of 52. How many equations, how many variables are there, students? Stop writing, don't write when I'm teaching. How many variables are there? Alphabet, apart from x, a and b. If there are two variables, how many equations will you get? Two equations. Then which method you have to solve? Elimination method. Make a note of this. That's it. First exercise is done. Completed? Don't solve it now, student. Do it for homework. All of you have made a note. So I've written everything. Complete this. Find the value of a and b. Okay. And see, make a note of the topics. I'll give you all circles. Okay. So go through circles. Reflection. Quadratic equation. Full chapter. Okay. And this first exercise. Exercise 80. Fine. Next exercise we'll do on Monday, students. We'll do the next exercise Monday, and now Friday and Saturday. So do you all need revision for this, or will you all prepare? Will tell me, Amy. I'll tell you. Okay, fine. What time? How come full day? They've kept full day. Okay, fine. Which one you all need revision, students? Tomorrow we'll revise. Okay, reflection. What about exercise 80? Any doubts in this exercise? That you all prepare, and we'll do one or two questions from quadratic tomorrow. Clear? So tomorrow I might conduct for 1.5 hours students because it is Friday. So the class will be from 8 to 8, 7 to 8:30. Okay, only for tomorrow 1.5 hour. Only then I can complete reflection and quadratic revision. So those who want can attend only for 1 hour, 7 to 8, and you can revise it on your own. And Saturdays I'll tell you all the timing. Saturday class and test I'll tell you all the timing. Okay, so make a note and tomorrow reflect. Join at 7 o'clock. All of you all will do reflection and quadratic equation revision. Right? That's it for today.